How to keep it down out of the weeds.
Ready? What's going on here? What's going on here? It is stuck for some reason over there. Out there, the boat. Weed.
It's actually my fault because it's like nature's fault because there's like actually like
Weeds. And then, so now we're getting the boat to go get it, and we're gonna go for a try attempt 2. So, yeah.
I'll just pick it up.
There we go. The engineer's off.
You know my pants actually just cut?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's beeping. And I can see the rudder moving.
It is.
Yeah, she's inside with Macy.
There it is. Okay.
How come you guys didn't go get it?
Well, Ma.
There.
Nothing wrong with it. Seaweed in its propeller.
Still not
Into
going.
the water. There's a lizard in the water.
Where? Oh my gosh! There is. There's a lizard in the water. Jeez. Okay, we're gonna go see what's wrong with him.
I'm
Charge it,
also
maybe.
gonna turn this off.
Okay. We got back.
I did like circle then 8. Circle then 8. Made a butt cheek.